Hello everyone, today I will show you how to start numbering from 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Simply select your text, drag your mouse and here you will find this numbering icon. Click on this triangle numbering and simply select first one numbering. Now click on this numbering option and select and click right button and select here edit prefix and suffix option. I will add prefix on and type here dot and suffix dot I'll remove and see this I'll add here on dot. Now select OK and see this on, 1.2 numbering already added. Also I'll add here numbering and click on this numbering and click right button. Again select edit prefix and suffix. I will add here 2 and dot and suffix dot I'll remove. Now select OK and see this. In this way you can add this type of numbering as you like or want. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.